Anyabiago Neziokwu Bundu. It is very important to hit the nail on the head. Today, a lot of things are happening in Igbo land. The political space in Igbo land is becoming something that we do not want. And that is why we've come to speak against it on this very platform, Eziokwu Bundu, on Igbo Global TV. Now, we have had some Igbo politicians talking nonsense, talking against Igbo interest, because somebody has told them, somebody who is not an Igbo person has told them that is going to make them a vice president or a president of Nigeria, and for that reason, these people have gone speaking against Igbo, the Igbos. They have gone speaking against Igbo interest. It is funny. We are laughing at you. Let me educate you a bit. Nobody can make you anything in Nigeria for Ndi Igbo without the support of Ndi Igbo. So if you are thinking that somebody somewhere else who is not an Igbo man has told you he's going to make you the president of Nigeria, and for that reason you have gone amok, you are speaking against Igbo interest, you are tongue-lashing the Igbos, you are talking anything you like, rubbish, just impress the people. You are deceiving yourself. We, the Igbos, are those that will make any Igbo man, whatever he is going to be, in this Nigeria, talking of national politics. Nobody can make any Igbo man a president or a vice president without the support of Ndi Igbo. It cannot happen again. Of course, it has never happened before. So if you are deceiving yourself, if you are being deceived by people who are not Igbos, who are telling you they can make you this, they will make you this, they will make you that, and for that reason, you have gone crazy, you have gone stupid, you have gone funny, talking against Ndi Igbo, you will regret it. We are out for you. We, the young people, the youths, we are out for you. We have the narration today. The power of narration is with us. I will make sure we talk to Ndi Igbo. So for you to get anything representing Ndi Igbo, for you to have any position in Nigeria that has to be for Ndi Igbo, you must begin from Ndi Igbo. Charity, they say, begins at home. And let me make it clear. We are going to experiment our strength using Anambra State. Thank God, Anambra is the only state in Igbo land that has its own election different from others at different time. In Anambra State, we shall demonstrate our strength. Every Igbo person must come to tell the Anambra people that you are holding the destiny of the Igbos politically because of your gubernatorial election. Anambra people, that this time you cannot be funny. Of course, you've never been funny. We must make sure that among these people coming out to contest for gubernatorial election in Anambra State, the person that must be there must be that person who has Igbo interest, not somebody who is being planted by other people that are not Igbos. So many people today who are desperate to be governors in Anambra State are being planted and forwarded. They are being fronted by people who are not Igbos, who do not have Igbos interest at heart. Igbo natural haters are pushing some people in Anambra State, and we know them. We must tell Anambralians, we must tell the electorate in Anambra State that you must not vote for these people. We must vote for somebody who will be for us. We don't want a chief security officer who does not want to know whether Ndi Igbo are killed or not. Somebody will come to your state and kill young people from your state, and you won't bother because you are afraid of somebody somewhere. Who told you that that person has a power? Who can exercise power in Igbo land who is not an Igbo person? Who is that person? Today is the time for you to know that you have been deceiving yourself. Charity begins at home. No person in Igbo land can get anything in Igbo land from outside influence again. Gone are those days. And I must tell you that. Let me give you a scenario. For somebody contesting a presidential election in Nigeria, for him to win election in Anambra State or any state in Igbo land, the Guba candidate there is important to him. But it is not important for the Guba candidate to win election in his own state. No. For a presidential candidate from other place to win election in Imo State, in Anambra State, in Ebonyi State, in Enugu State, in Rivers State, in Delta State, in Anambra State, that person needs the Guba candidate of that state to win. But the Guber candidate does not need that person who is not an Igbo man to win election in his state. He needs his pedigree. He needs his profile. He needs his love for the people. He needs his patriotism, his disposition to stand for Igbo people. So know it today. If you are deceiving yourself, vying for or attempting to vie for any position in Nigeria, vice president or whatever you want to vie for, and you think the only way you can impress people outside Igbo land is to come and speak against Igbo interest, you are biting yourself hard, and we are watching you. And we shall face when the time comes. We shall ensure that you'll be disappointed. Thank you. Let Anambra election be an example to others.